everyone! This is your Ate Dice and your former DJ Mariposa here, ang inyong nag-iisang pero at mag-a-update sa inyo after a year na siguro hindi ako nag-upload. Pero sa short ko, nag-upload ako. So, pasok na kayo guys at ito ang aking vlog na tinatanong yung lahat kamusta na ang aking anak na half Saudi at half Filipino. So, no further ado, let's do the intro. Tara na, mus na! Heto nga guys, itong vlog na to is hindi ko naman talaga lalahatin kung ano nangyari or what. Ito ay simpleng ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano na siya ngayon after magto 3 years na I have my kid from a Saudi man. So, heto na siya, malaki na siya. And then, I make this video dahil kung paano ko siya pinalaki after 3 years and how Said become a toddler now and how sweet he is. So, let's watch this. Can I hug a hug?
Yeah.
Can you kiss me?
I play.
Can you massage Mama in the feet? I'm so tired. Can you massage Mama?
Yeah.
So tired. In my feet.
Yeah.
Please?
Yeah.
Mama is crying with the sick. I'm so sick. Thank you. Make it hard.
Yeah.
Massage. Massage my feet. Why my head? Why my head? Oh my god. So weak. More, please.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Ma, so tired.
Yeah, I need water. Can you give me water, please?
Yeah.
Give me water, please.
Drink water. Water si Mama.
Please.
Water si Mama.
Say please.
Please, Kuya.
Why?
Need Mama water.
Need limang water?
Yeah.
Okay. Opo.
Opo.
Kuya.
Dali na. I need water. I need water, please.
Please. I need water, please.
Malakas.
I need water, please.
Kuya Pugi.
Kuya Pugi.
Di si Mama! Kimo kima. Gutok kima. Bigyan mo kay Mama muna.
Thank you, baby. It's for Mama? Do you love Mama?
I'm walking.
You're walking? Slowly. Slowly. Do I need to go to the doctor because I'm sick?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, baby.
Water?
Yeah, I'm sick. Can you massage Mama feet?
Yeah.
So tired. More.
Harder.
Huh?
Harder.
Harder. Thank you.
Welcome.
What? I love you.
Happy.
So, I felt love. And at his young age, to be honest guys, kuhang-kuha niya yung pagiging sweet sa tatay niya. Nakuha niya yung pagiging matalino sa tatay niya. Yung mukha niya sa tatay niya. But, alam mo yun, I know I have someone in my life right now, but nung single mom pa ako, I was like chasing love. I'm chasing for hunger for love by someone. Kasi natatakot ako na tumanda akong mag-isa. Kasi sila magkakaasawa, magkakaanak. Sino yung mag-aalaga sa akin? Sino yung magmamahal sa akin? Sino yung kasama ko sa pagtanda? But when I saw this gesture from my bunso, I felt love. And alam ko, hindi ko kailangan mag-chase ng pag-ibig kanino man. Kasi alam ko sa sarili ko na magpapalaki ako ng batang sobrang sweet. So, I'm so thankful for what Sayid did. Sobrang blessed to this bunso. And to Kuya Dwayne also. Makikita niyo to balang araw. Mahal na mahal ko kayo.